How and why staff at a local private school got vaccinated for COVID-19.
In a story that we broke here, now there are concerns a hospital executive might have helped make that happen. CBS 2's Jeff Nguyen has the story tonight.
I've been getting tons of calls all day from people asking if it's true.
Jenna Schwartz is an LAUSD parent and public school advocate who's concerned about how staff members at the prestigious Wesley School in North Hollywood got vaccinated for COVID. It comes one day after our Christine Lazar reported the private school sent out an email to parents saying its staff was provided the shot by Dignity Health Northridge Medical Center. Now there are questions whether the hospital's chief financial officer, Doug Brown, has a child who's enrolled at the private school. On the Facebook page belonging to Brown's wife, a picture of their child wearing a shirt with the logo of the Wesley School.
I think a lot of people don't want to believe it, but it seems to be true.
We reached out to Dignity Health for comment on whether Mr. Brown is connected to the school, but we were given the same statement that was sent for yesterday's report that read in part, recently we had vaccines available, and reached out to schools and daycare centers in the valley to offer vaccinations to educators targeting those 65 and older.
I think that it would be really easy to just say, yeah, that's absolutely not true, if it was absolutely not true.
Parents at public schools say they want to make sure vaccine distribution is equitable and that under-resourced communities aren't left behind. In a tweet, LAUSD said Dignity Health offered 100 slots in the vaccination program, but the district elected to not participate because county rules allow vaccinations to be offered only to individuals ages 65 or older and certain other categories. The LA County Department of Public Health says it's looking into how some schools have been able to get the vaccine. Its director, Dr. Barbara Ferrer, believes it'll be a couple of weeks before teachers and school employees in the county will start to get vaccinated.
We called and emailed the head of the Wesley School, and we emailed Doug Brown to comment on the apparent connection. We are still waiting for replies. In North Hollywood, Jeff Nguyen, CBS 2 News.
And we do have more on that story. We've just received a statement from the LA County Department of Public Health. It reads, the health system that provided these vaccinations did not receive the vaccines from the county of LA. The doses were provided by the state of California to the provider as part of its distribution to large healthcare providers that cover multiple counties and jurisdictions. The County Department of Public Health has reported this incident to the state and has informed the provider that this action violates the tier system now in place in LA County, under which other healthcare providers and people 65 plus are being vaccinated. We have been assured that there will not be a repeat of this violation.
Shares of the dating app company Bumble went on sale today, and the market bought them up. Initially priced at $43